Hello, hi, good morning. Welcome to today's session. So, in the last session, we successfully completed our discussion for the chapter Socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. So, after understanding the different concepts, different events from the chapter, it's my pleasure to discuss exercise activity for the chapter which are given in our textual questions. So today's session onwards, so I would like to discuss the different questions from textual questions. Question number 1: what were the social, economic and political conditions in Russia before 1905? Before 1905, Russia's condition in terms of social, economic and political, we have to write. So these kind of questions for examination will be raised for 5 marks. So while attending these kind of questions, we have to understand question clearly and we have to write answer separately related to social, economic and political. So first one, the social, economic and political conditions in Russia before 1905 was backward. Backward. There was no any progress or development. Instead it was backward. So social conditions. 85% of Russia's population was agriculturalist. The industry was existent, but rarely in which most of was privately owned. Workers were mainly divided on the basis of their occupations. They mainly migrated to cities for employment in factories. The peasant community was deeply religious, but they did not care much about the nobility. They believed that land must be divided among themselves. Then, economic condition. Russia was going through bad period economically before 1905 because prices of essential goods rises while real wages got decreased by 20%, which led to the famous St. Petersburg strike. So St. Petersburg strike started. It led for series of events that are together known as 1905 revolution. So during this revolution, there were strikes all around the country. Universities, schools, colleges closed down. Various professionals, workers formed their own unions of union or union of unions, and they took part for demanding the establishment of constituent assembly. Then political condition. Political parties were illegal before 1914. The Russian Social Democratic Workers' Party was founded in 1898 by socialists who respected Marx's ideas. In 1903, this party was divided into two groups, namely Mensheviks and Bolsheviks. The Bolsheviks, who were in majority, were led by Lenin, who is regarded as the greatest thinker on socialism after Karl Marx. So, this is the social, economic, and political condition of Russia before 1905. Then, question number 2: In what ways was the working population in Russia different from other countries in Europe before 1917? In what way the working population in Russia was different from other countries in Europe before 1917? So the answer is the working population in Russia was different from all other countries in Europe before 1917 because not all Russian workers migrated from the villages to work in the industrial sectors established in cities and towns. Only certain group of population or certain group of people migrated. Then some of them continued to live in villages and went to work daily to the towns. They were a divided group socially and professionally, and this showed in their dress and manners too. Mental workers were the aristocrats of the working class because of their occupation demanded more training and more skill. Nevertheless, the working population was united on one front: strikes against work condition and employees tyranny. So, after discussing first and second question, let me stop today's session, and remaining questions from exercise activity will be discussed in tomorrow's session. Until then, take care of yourself, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you, one and all.